Affiliate marketing, the ultimate beginner's roadmap to profits. Before we jump in, make sure you subscribe to the channel because this video took a lot of work. And if you're serious about learning affiliate marketing, finding the right niche, choosing profitable products, and building a real online income, you definitely don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's get started. Number 1. The real power behind affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to build a business today, without hiring employees, without inventory, without handling customer support. According to the introduction, page 4, you can build a sales force of affiliates or become one yourself using tracking technology and only get paid or pay others when a sale is made. No risk, no upfront cost, just pure performance. But to do it right, you need a roadmap, and it begins with choosing the right niche. Number 2, step 1, find your niche. Choosing your niche is everything. It determines your audience, your products, your content, and your income. A. Who do you want to work with? Start with your passions, interests, or areas where you naturally understand people. But passion alone isn't enough. You still need research to validate the market. B. Who serves that audience now? Look at the competition. Competition is a good sign. It means people are buying. C. What skills or solutions can you offer? You don't need to be the expert. You just need to help the audience solve a problem, even if you learn along the way. D. What makes you different? Your personality, your perspective, your style. That's your brand. E. Check affiliate networks. Make sure the niche actually buys things. Look at affiliate networks like ClickBank before committing. Your niche must be profitable, reachable, and valuable. Number 3. Step 2. Choose profitable products. Once your niche is clear, it's time to find products that solve their problems. A. Identify their pain points. Every profitable product solves a problem. List 3 major problems your audience deals with. Then search affiliate networks to find solutions. B. Research the product. Before promoting anything, check conversion rate, creator reputation, sales page quality, customer support, and your own experience with the product. C. Explore affiliate programs. Different networks include JVZoo, ClickBank, ShareASale, Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, and more. Each has different rules, payout structures, and niches. D. Determine profitability. Look for high commissions, 50% plus for digital goods, high sales price, strong conversion metrics, valid competition, and good keyword potential. If the product sells and pays well, it's a winner. Number 4. Step 3. Create your own products too. A powerful strategy, pages 11 to 12. Don't rely only on promoting others. Create your own. Bonus products, list-building checklists, simple guides, courses, templates, digital tools. This builds your authority and creates multiple income streams. Later, you can even recruit affiliates to sell your products for you. A real business doesn't depend on one income source. Number 5. Step 4. Find great affiliates and avoid bad ones. If you create your own products, you'll want affiliates promoting them. Pages 12 to 13 explain the criteria. Focus on quality, not quantity. 100 excellent affiliates are better than 1,000 inactive ones. Check their website. Does their content match your niche? Does their brand align with yours? Verify identity and legal info. You need transparency and trust. Review their content. Are they ethical? Do they use good marketing practices? Great affiliates grow your business while you sleep. Number 6. Use the right tools and technology. Pages 14 to 18 list all essential tools for affiliate marketers. Website tools, domain name, Namecheap, hosting, MomWebs, WordPress, landing page builders like Instapage, email marketing, Aweber, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign. Email remains your #1 asset for long-term profit. Market research tools, Google Trends, iSpionage. Traffic tools, AdEspresso, Facebook ads, retargeting. Tracking and conversion tools, Google Analytics, PrettyLinks. Content tools, Canva, Grammarly, CoSchedule. These tools automate your business and scale your income. Number 7. Step 6. Marketing your affiliate business. Pages 18 to 20 break down marketing strategies. Content marketing, blogs, videos, guides, social posts, all bring targeted traffic. SEO, optimize pages to appear in search results. Paid ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, retargeting. Social media, build a brand voice across platforms. Email marketing, nurture and convert subscribers repeatedly. Joint venture partnerships, partner with other creators for webinars, product launches, or bundle deals. Marketing isn't optional. It's the engine of your affiliate business. Number 8. Final step, the beginner's action plan. Pages 21 to 22 give a step-by-step roadmap. 1. Know your audience. 2. Identify their biggest pain points. 3. Understand your why. 4. Build a branded website. 5. Create branded social profiles. 6. Set up email autoresponders. 7. Build funnels. 8. Publish consistent content. 9. Find a profitable product. 10. Sign up as an affiliate. 11. Create content promoting the product. 12. Promote your content everywhere. 13. Track your metrics. 14. Repeat the process. Success comes from consistency. Affiliate marketing works when you work the system. Outro. Ask them to subscribe. If this video helped you understand affiliate marketing from A to Z, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any upcoming videos packed with strategies, tools, and step-by-step methods to build a profitable online business. Stay focused, take action, and keep building your digital empire.